Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Welcome to Wayne's World. So here we've got this Dana 44 1961 vintage out of a Ford. 8-lug, of course. Now, this is for all the people that call and go, will my factory wheels fit? Well, of course they'll fit. Why on earth would we make something that forces somebody to spend $1,000, $2,000 on wheels and tires? Yes, I know some folks do that. They don't give a rat's ass, but not here. So, there you go, my friends. That's your factory. There you go. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking with your badass front disc kit. Bye.